How to fix Snapchat can't add friends on Snapchat. Today guys, I have this solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go to the settings of your phone and you will open it. Then you will go to apps option. Then you will see and look how much how much application that you have. You will search just for Snapchat, and when you found Snapchat, just open it like this, and then you have to go to storage. And on storage guys, go to the last button here, clear data, and click OK, and back again, and click first tab and click OK. And that's it guys, your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.